Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking best trends for this year. I'm going to take you with me to Atlanta Market and so you can see the trends straight from the showrooms. As always, smash that subscribe button and leave a comment. We like to know what you think, what you want to see, and we want to help you bring those trends into your home. So stick around, watch the video, and let us know what you think. Every time we walk into a showroom, one of the first questions Mom and I ask is, what's your most popular theme? Because we want to know. We want to know what other people are out there, what they're buying. It is our job to find out what the trends are. Think about adding ornaments that are frosty and sparkly, as well as with the clear, mixing those tones and bringing in like those crystal branches, bring in the greens, and the florals really look frosted, like you just plucked them out of your garden in the springtime, and then Jack Frost came and just put a beautiful layer of crystal frost down. Nutcracker theme. Nutcrackers just announce Christmas and say it is time to spread Christmas cheer. Several of our vendors had a Nutcracker themed tree. The more lights, the merrier. It seems like our vendors are trying to figure out more ways to add more lights, lighting techniques where it sparkles or it can twinkle or it can flash or they can chase. But not only that, the trees that have the warm white, and then with the click of a button, you can go to multicolor. Next, traditional is coming back in a huge way, colors coming back in a huge way, and that includes burgundy. For a few years, nobody was touching burgundy at all. So seeing those moody colors coming back, I mean, burgundy, adding that in, black, you know, those are big and bold moves in the industry. Also a huge trend. It's hard for us to do this trend, but we are seeing it and we are going to show you a style of this type of tree. You know, we're really big into ribbon. One thing that some showrooms are doing is they're taking ribbon and picks out of the trees, and they're just literally taking a tree, and it has to be a certain type of tree. So you can't do this with every traditional tree that you might have, but there are trees that are made specifically for this purpose, and that's to showcase ornaments. And I mean zero picks, zero ribbon at all. I'm going to recommend, if you want to do that, you're going to want to watch some videos on specifically how to arrange your tree so it looks really, really good. This year we saw a lot of gingerbread theme throughout several showrooms, and instead of doing the traditional gingerbread with always the red and the green like we've done in the past, we're seeing a lot more neutral gingerbread. So they're taking the gingerbread houses, and basically what they're doing is instead of incorporating the reds and greens, it's just gingerbread with white icing. So seeing a lot of the neutral gingerbread, and I think it's great because people are incorporating that in so many different ways. Next, bright pinks and blues. They did such a smashing job with that tree and incorporating all of those bright colors. People are loving adding color. You know, back 6 years ago or so, it was all crystal and white. Nobody even wanted to think about putting red on their tree. And now we're seeing the pinks, the bright blues. It's all about color. Bright, fun colors and pinks and blues and all the things. Glitterville is always on trend. If you are a collector of Glitterville, if you love all the bright, fun, funky colors, the showroom, you just walk in and it's so inspirational and amazing. It's all bright, it's all fun. They have lots of great ornaments, and this is a collection that you can really start getting into those pops of colors. So I love everything from Glitterville, of course. It is always on trend because there are the collectors and it's so strong. You know, they actually did the decorations in the White House a couple of years ago. That was very on trend for that year as well. And then you can still see Glitterville's very, very strong. That is our trends video. Don't forget to leave that comment for us. And then of course, all of our products are going to be live on Amber Marie and Company website, and they are starting to arrive right now. So get ready. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, friends.